Yeah! What'd I tell you? Ain't nothing like a Jeep. Yeah! That's how you get her done.
You're next.
Damn, I was hoping it wasn't going to go down. Not bad, really. You just get in that right straight line. Then we have to come back through it. Or we go the other way.
Yeah, you guys can go all the way out to Price. There's another road leads out this way. It'll take you all the way to the dam, and you'll come out near Florence Prison over there.
Yeah. Well, see, we got...
They did the other side of this a few weeks ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've been there. Well, it was last year. I've been to that spot going.